Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Motorhomes. Glad to have you here with us. I'm going to share with you a little tip and a little part that you need to keep in your motorhome at all times, and it's this little rig right here. If your water line gets a pinhole in it or a crack, your water system is shut down, and you'll have to do this right here to crimp it off. Here's all you have to do. We're going to cut this line nice and clean right there, and then take this one right here nice and clean. All you do is take this little bugger right here, push lock, and you push it all the way on and give it a pull. Then you take this one, push it all the way on, give it a pull. There you are. So all we have to do now is screw it back on top of this is the ice maker solenoid. So this little tool, this little part will save you from having your whole system shut down. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez, Jorge Rodriguez Reddington. Look in the tools list and you'll see what you need to have in your motorhome. The kit is right in there. That way, if any of your 1/4-inch lines or larger lines, water lines, spring a leak, you'll be able to replace it. Now, you should keep an extra roll of this in there as well, just in case you have to replace the whole line to the back of the refrigerator or wherever.